Welcome back to a new day. Welcome back to a new day, and happy 4th of July as it is right now. But for some reason, my days have been getting mixed up this week. I thought the day was Saturday. But in any case, we got the carpets all done. We got the foam cut out in the floors. Now, we got to get everything put in. We got to paint the board for the transom. Let me show you that real quick. We got this board for the transom. This board for the transom. And we got the live well doors here. We got to paint. I'm not going to carpet the live well. Although I might, I don't know yet. It depends on how much room I got. But we got that done. And now we finna start on getting the floors put in, and we finna try to get as much of this done as we can and fight these darn bugs. He ain't got none of that spray up there, do we? Luckily, we already got the hose pre-drilled, so that part will be fine. Okay, so we ran into a snag. These zip-tapping screws, they're only 1 inch long, and we can't get them through the board and into the metal. So what's going to happen is I'm going to get the same screws that I post down with the 2 seats here. I'm going to use them on that front. Well, hold on. I'm going to use them on this front here. I'm only going to put 2 screws here and here, and that's going to hold this seat down. But I'm still going to need the zip-tapping screws for here, there, and probably the live well doors, because it's got a piece of metal that's up under them that lays on top, and the floors. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to mix up the paint to do any touch up on the paint that, you know what I'm saying, might have gotten scratched or whatsoever. We're going to do a touch up on that. And then tomorrow I'll get, you said 1.5 inches?
Yeah, that's a half should be long. Don't get it too long for these down here.
Alright, so 1.5 inches to I don't even know if I really gotta, you know, secure the floor down, to be honest with you. What I want to do before I do that is get it back on the trailer, which everything we can do now we can do from the trailer. Well, except for the painting part. Yeah, we can do the painting part too. We could do it from the trailer. So, and then while it's on the trailer, I can put a board in here and get in and walk on it, see what it do. Let me do that. Well, y'all, this is another day, and day after the 4th of July. But still a very important day. OGM birthday. So I'll be going out to eat with her a little bit later on today. But we're almost done with the boat portion of it. I'm gonna wait probably till this fall to get the trailer done. So we're going to put this seat in, put these little side seat things to the live well in, and then paint the transom. Those is what we got to do next. So let's get that going. Welcome back. It is Sunday, and we're finna put on this transom. I gotta go get the hinges to put for the live well, but I'll go do that today and get that done. I don't know if I'm gonna show that or not, but we shall see. But we finna get this transom done so that we can finally be done with this boat. So let's get to it. My bad. So yeah, putting on the live well, I'm not gonna let y'all see that, you know what I'm saying? It just, you know what I'm saying, putting on the hinge, which I'm about to go get so I can screw all that in, and then wait for the sealant to dry, you know what I'm saying, give it a quick test on the water to see what happens, and then we are ready. Also, the one thing that I will say is the color of the seats. I want something that kind of matches the boat, but hopefully you guys out there will, you know, give a couple suggestions on what seats to put up here, because I'm not going to use the old seats. Let me grab them. If you can remember, these were the seats, but the squirrels and the buzzards, they kind of ate up my seat. So yeah, what color should I use and what style of seat? I'm gonna leave it with that. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, although this project took a long time, like, subscribe, click that notification bell, helps me out a lot. And for the guys that's been here watching, thank you. And if you're new, welcome, and thank you also. The next time you see me, it'll be on the water. And it's been a couple of months since I've been on the water.